How to fix copying too slow in your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the copying too slow in Windows. So let's get started. First, go to your search bar and then search for services. So this is the services section. You can expand this, make this full screen. So here you will need to find optimized drivers. Now these are all arranged in alphabetical order, so you can simply search for O section here. So here you will see optimized drivers. Now double click on this and open this up. Now under this you will need to change the startup type, change it to automatic, and after you change it to automatic, tap on apply and tap on OK. Now after you do both of that, you can simply right click on this and you can simply start this. Now this will restart the process, and after you do so, your problem should get fixed and your copying should be fast again on your Windows. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.